Hello again in PHP for beginner. This is part 9. Last two video we talk about indexes array. We learned how to make index array, how to add, how to override, how to merge, how to know the length. So we learned many things, and now we will learn how to make associative array. So this is normal array. So let's make a new array. We don't need Marco here. We don't need, we need the echo maybe. But let's make a new array. So let's say array 3 and it's equal to also so this is how to make association array, but here we have indexes already. It's 0, 1, 2. Here we can give a key to access the value. So I will show you, for example, like let's say get me, as we need to put it inside a string. The key should be inside a string. So if you put me and you put an arrow, like equal and arrow, and now we give a value to this. It's me, so I want to give it value of Mike, and this is how we make a value an associative array. So we put the key in the first, we put an arrow, and you put the value. So what's it's mean from what it's mean this, I access Mike, I access this value by this key, not by index. So I put array like this, put array, let's use the array 3 and the square brackets, and I want to access me, and this is how I access this value, Mike. And you can continue, for example, and this is make more sense. For example, if you put me, it's Mike, you can put age, for example, and you can give it a value, a number, let's say 35. Let's put last name. So you also, the same as normal array, you between the value you need to use a comma. So this is the first one, the value is Mike, but I put as a key for this value, it's me. So I access it like this, an array, and put the key here. If I want age, I put the age here. If I want now last name, for example, last name, and I give it a value as Smith. So actually you can't do it like this because this is a key. So here, do you see what happening here? It's I want to access this value, Mike, and this is how I access it. So I don't need the merge now. let's say, do I will get Mike from here or not? And if I refresh it, I get Mike. So this is make more sense, especially if you loop over this array, because you have a key and it's meaningful key. It's not index 0, 1, 2. So you can actually, you can, why I put me, I can put name here. So this is, it will be name. So if I want to put, for example, a name like this, the name, capital letter, and this is how we can connect to variable, and we need to connect another string. It should be a tag, er tag. So we have a new line, small letter. So now I get the name, and we need to make it 3. And the last one, I don't need the PR. Find constant instant. Oh yes, but it's not an error, it's a warning. So I want here actually last name, and here I want edge, and so here if I want to access the last name, I need to put the last name here, this one, and I need to put it here inside the brackets, and the edge inside the brackets. So let's check if this is what will work. And we get name, it's Mike, last name, Smith, and the edge, 35. So this is cool. So I will explain what happened here. We can connect string here with point. We explained this in maybe in the first or second video. And we can write HTML to make a new line. So this is the break. And here we accessing a value inside an associative array, which we, if you want to access the Mike value, you need this key and you use it inside the brackets. We don't, here usually we use index, but with associative array you use the key. So to access Mike, I need to use the name inside the square bracket, and to access last name I need to put here, and to access the edge I need to put the edge here, the key. It's not the word edge, it's the key. Whatever is the key here, I need to put it here inside as array, square brackets, and the key. So this is everything for this video about associative array, and it's really handy to use this when you loop in many array. In next video we will talk about multi-dimensional array, and we will check how we can make multi-dimensional array. See you in next video.